Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with a wonderful recipe of fried rice which can be made with basic ingredients from your kitchen. Firstly, I've beaten 4 eggs with a pinch of salt and kept it aside. I have boiled 2 cups of Kohinoor basmati rice, and after draining the water, I've spread it in a plate and kept it aside. Little white oil is added in the kadhai, and then I am frying the prawns. I've taken about 100 grams of prawn. I'm frying it with a little pinch of salt and I keep them aside. Then I take the beaten egg and make scrambled egg and keep them aside as well. Some onions have been chopped finely, and this onion will be fried in the oil till it turns brown, crispy and brown. We can see that the onion is changing its color. It is turning into brown. Now I add a little more oil, and I have cut small pieces of cauliflower which I fry, and then I take it out from the oil and I keep it aside. The onion is quite ready, looks crispy and brown, so it is kept aside. Now you can see that the rice has been spread in 2 plates so that if there is any extra water, that will dry up. The ingredients are more or less ready. I have some more ingredients to fry, that is chopped beans and carrot and small pieces of chilies, green chilies, which I put in the oil and I fry them till they are little soft with a pinch of salt. Now I have chopped quite a bit of ginger in small pieces and slit some green chilies and added to the oil, and I am frying it for some time. As this container is little small, I am transferring the whole thing into a bigger container. The ginger has been fried well. Now I'll add the fried vegetables, the prawn, the egg, everything, as well as the rice layer by layer, and then I will mix the entire thing. Lastly, I add the barista, which is the fried onion, because that's add a great flavor to the rice, and then I mix the whole thing very nicely. On this, I add salt and pepper powder. Now my fried rice is ready. I mix it very well, and then Lajawab fried rice is ready for you. Just try the recipe and let me know how it is. I'm sure you will like it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please be with me.